I'm surprised, nagagala-gala pa yan sa commissioners sa hallway at dining room. Kasi akala ko, sinabi ko na, nung day na nag-investigation, nag-order kami ng investigation, I already told somebody to tell Smartmatic people to please, huwag silang pumunta sa hallway ng mga commissioners. At hindi naman po sila invited sa dining room na yon kasi, you know, we talk about things there, you know. We don't like other people to know. Kaya yung dining room na yun is really just an executive dining room, di ba? So, nagulat lang ako kanina, may kausap ako dun, mga abogado ko. Biglang pumasok si Marlon Garcia. Sabi ko sa kanya, what are you doing here? You stay away from here, you're under investigation. Baka na-shock lang din siya, kumuha siya ng baso. He meant to say na kukuha lang siya ng tubig.
Joke lang ba yung sinabi niyong yun?
Sabi ko, kailangan nila ng tubig. They should be, why did he leave the meeting room just to get water in the dining room?
Pa-joke ba mamasabi niyo o
Hindi po
seryoso?
joke yun.
Seryoso talaga yung pagkasabi niyo?
Oo, sabi ko sa kanya, why are you here? You should not be here. You are under investigation.
Ma'am, kanina si
We
Karen...
should have a no contact rule with commissioners because we are going to decide their fate.